Hey everyone, welcome back to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we're diving into a powerful career boosting skill, the art of prompt engineering. The art of writing clear, creative, and effective prompts to get the most out of generative AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Copilot, and others. Let's jump right in. What is a prompt? In simple terms, a prompt is what you type into the box when you talk to an AI. It's your side of the conversation. A question, a command, or even a full set of instructions. For example, in ChatGPT, you type into the bar at the bottom that says, Message ChatGPT. That's your prompt. But here's where it gets exciting. A basic prompt is just the beginning. Prompt engineering takes it to the next level. The secret sauce of prompt engineering. Great prompts don't just happen by accident. The secret sauce comes down to clarity, context, and creativity. Imagine you're a chef. Your ingredients are words, your recipe is the prompt, and the AI's response is the dish. A good recipe makes a great meal. And the same goes for prompts. And just like cooking, it's best done in steps. That's where two important techniques come in. Iterative prompting, where you ask, evaluate, tweak, and ask again. Prompt chaining, where each prompt builds logically on the one before. This step-by-step approach helps the AI stay focused, reduce confusion, and hit the target with more accuracy. How prompts shape AI responses? So how does a Gen AI model like GPT or DALL-E actually work with prompts? Here's the trick. It doesn't think, it predicts. It looks at your prompt and then generates the most likely next word, and the next, and the next. That's why your prompt needs to provide enough clues, enough puzzle pieces, for the AI to predict the full picture you're aiming for. And yes, even the same prompt can give you different results depending on the model, the time, or even your wording. That unpredictability, that's part of the magic. Matching prompts to tasks and domains now. Here's where prompt engineering really shines. Not all prompts work the same across different tasks. You've got to match your style to the goal. Let me give you a few quick examples. In creative writing, use open imaginative prompts like, write a story about a hidden world beneath the ocean. In data analysis, go precise. Compare last quarter's sales data and highlight the top 3 products. In marketing, focus on audience impact. Give me 5 catchy taglines for a new eco-friendly product. In healthcare or legal, use formal, accurate language and always respect privacy or legal structure. Each domain speaks its own language, so tailor your prompts accordingly. Quick tips to boost your prompting skills. Let's go rapid fire with some practical tips. Know your goal. Are you asking for ideas, instructions, or analysis? Be specific. The clearer the request, the better the result. Add context. Background info helps the I understand the task. Keep it simple. Unless you're in a technical field, plain language is best. Try different angles. If a prompt doesn't work, rephrase it. Use examples. Want a poem like Robert Frost? Show it one first. Use multimodal prompts if your model supports it. Combine text with images for richer outputs. And always remember, Gen AI isn't perfect. It can hallucinate or make mistakes. Be a smart user, not just a passive one. Teaching the AI over time, here's something most people overlook. You can train the AI to serve you better without writing a single line of code. How? Give feedback. Use thumbs up or thumbs down. Use the regenerate button when a response isn't quite right. Build a personal prompt library and learn from others. Keep using different phrasing and examples to expand the model's capabilities for your style and your needs. And if the AI makes a biased or off-putting response, let it know and correct course in your next prompt. Common pitfalls to avoid. Finally, let's look at the biggest mistakes in prompt engineering and how to dodge them. Bias. Avoid language or data that favors one group unfairly. Wrong assumptions. Always test the logic behind your prompt. Overgeneralizing. Use diverse examples to add balance. Wandering off task. Stay focused on your goal. Don't get sidetracked by impressive sounding but irrelevant outputs. Echo chambers. Challenge consensus. Don't just confirm what you already believe. And most importantly, always review AI output critically. Don't take it as truth just because it sounds confident. So if you want to become a power user of Gen AI, start with prompt engineering. Be clear, be creative, be intentional. At Neural Tech Analytics, we train you to use AI and data analytics the right way with real-world skills and industry-ready results. Visit our website to learn more.